Hi guys! Welcome to my house. Today we're gonna spend the whole day together. I'm gonna show you guys my house. We're maybe gonna do a little shopping, a little home decorating. But first I wanna show you guys my family members. 이거 올라봐. 싫어. This is Mowgli. She loves to run around the house. She's like a jungle cat. Second cat, this is Jojo. He's kind of chubby, but that's okay. Actually have one more cat. He likes to hide in my house. Casper, 깎아먹을까? 어딨어? 아, 여기 있네. Casper's really shy, and that's why his name is Casper. So for me, the cats are like my family because I'm here in Korea by myself. Beauty+City mini house tour. This is my bed. I got this from a vintage shop in America. I love this blanket so much. And I have this easel. In Korean, we say like poop hand. I have a poop hand, which means I'm not very talented. Hopefully I'll get my lesson soon. This is my closet. I have a lot of clothes. I cannot lie, I have probably way too much clothes. I got a lot of them secondhand. These boots in a vintage shop in Budapest, and I got these at a thrift in America. My vanity that I love, skincare products. As you can see, I have a lot of Laneige products because I love Laneige. Actually, I live in a very unique house. This is actually the second floor, so I'll take you guys down to the first floor. I will show you guys my living room slash kitchen slash dining room. I got this on Tangun. This was like the best thing I ever found on Tangun. This fridge I also got on Tangun. My MacBook computer on Tangun. Chairs are also from Tangun. One of my favorite rooms in this house, which is my mini jazz cafe room. I have a lot of musical LPs on here. This one, I love this Elvis LP because it has the song Can't Help Falling in Love, and I absolutely adore that song. I like finding things that make me happy when I look at them, and then I put them in my house. Everything in my house makes me happy. I love my house. I'm gonna get ready to leave my house. First, we're gonna start out by using my all-time favorite toner. Oh, it's so refreshing. I love this toner. I'm gonna go in with my new favorite serum. So although it's a serum, look at how thick it is. Put it on my face. It also feels extremely moisturizing. 저 뭘 갖고 놀고 싶은데. 와우, 빠르다. First, I'm gonna start out with my cushion. This is the Laneige Glow Cushion. A lot of Koreans, they love the matte cushion, which is the mint colored one. I need that extra glow to give the effect of moisturized and glowy skin. So I really highly recommend the glow if you have dry skin like me. Eyebrows. I like to just put a little bit of color. Just go in a little bit more. Blush. That is it for my daily makeup. Ta-da! 엄마 잘 다녀올게요. Bye-bye. We made it to Itaewon. I know a lot of people, when you think about Itaewon, you think about clubs and bars. Actually, in the back streets of Itaewon is Furniture Antique Street. But maybe let's try and go in here. Typically, I take a lot of inspiration from vintage shops like this or cafes. What the heck? Oh my god, that's so cool! Salt and pepper shakers as a chest set. That is a really, really cute idea. I take a lot of pictures and then I try to find something similar online shopping or, like I said, getting it secondhand. Maybe we can go inside and look. Oh my god. This is like exactly my style. I love the 70s. It's so beautiful. You guys, you see that light fixture over there? That's the kind of light fixture I wanted in my house. These are so expensive, so I ended up just getting one from IKEA. But this is the dream. This is the gin, real. Oh wait, okay, I think I want to look inside this shop. Oh my god, you know how you can just like feel it when you go into a shop and you're like, yes, this is my shop, I'm gonna like something in here? Look at this mirror. Wait, does it turn on? It's like a sun and a flower at the same time. I feel like what really makes a difference in a house is your light fixtures. I definitely got some new ideas. We're gonna decorate for the new season. Christmas season! This is Polish pottery, but my mom bought it in Poland for me. This one is from Disneyland, Disney World in Florida with my family for Christmas. So definitely during the Christmas season, I miss my family the most. Let's put it right there. This one is Jojo. This one's Jojo. I have one that's Mowgli, one that's Jojo. But I have not found one yet that I really felt like captured Casper's essence. Aww, so cute. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? No matter what the holiday is that you celebrate, I hope you are celebrating with your family and loved ones. Merry Christmas and happy holidays, everybody.